Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So Friday we ended up with a pin bar, and you can see the buyers were scaling in over the last sort of 2 days, Thursday and Friday. And then over the weekend we got vaccine noise, that they are starting to roll out the vaccine into the US now, and that's pretty much what's made us jump a bit this morning. And then at the same time of the weekend there was some Brexit noise as well, so that's also going to put Europe in a good space as well. So for now, we should be looking for the opportunities to buy into this. And this level we just put in here, which is the previous daily high here, which is 36.77. There's obviously the area we need to pay attention to. We do have a weekly gap, and most of the weekly gaps this year have closed during the week. So just bear that in mind. There is still a possibility that we sort of drop and close this gap. Could be today, could be later on in the week, but ultimately that's a 200-point gap, so it's not that big in the bigger scheme of things. But at the moment, I think we have had a trendline break as well, which you're going to see on the hour. Okay, so there is our trendline break, okay, which is pretty much a flag or put another level in here, pretty much a flag or channel, depends which way you want to look at it, but we have broken the upside, so a retest of the break would be a beautiful area for buying into this. So there's a couple of areas that I'd be looking for at the moment. The first one is 36.77, and the second one is going to be 36.72, and the third one would more than likely be the gap close or these previous swing lows here, which is going to be 36.61. Okay, personally I think we are going up, so we're just looking for structure. So the closest structure at the moment is 36.77. If that holds, then you should be looking at 37.07, and then obviously a little bit higher than that at 37.16. Break through that zone, then we're on our way to 3800 and then 3900. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment, looking for those pullbacks. And just popping down the 15-minute, you can see pretty solid gap up, sideways to down, and we're already starting. So I suspect that we break out this morning with the positive news in Brexit as well. It's just going to drive Europe higher, and then we'll have to see what the US markets say. But yep, that's it for me this morning. Looking for opportunities to buy, and your 15 minutes going to be fairly key. You see there is a double bottom here as well, which we've broken through, so that measured move is pretty close, I would think. If we just do that, that's our measured move. Let's just put a level in for that and look to the left, and you'll see there is a bit of congestion, quite a bit of congestion to the left. So there's tails used as resistance there, uses support, uses resistance. Try to use it as support here, failed. So that is a logical area to be aiming for at the moment. So that's 36.93. Okay, anyway guys, onwards and upwards. I think probably the start of our Christmas rally for now, and then we'll have to wait and see once December's over. But at the moment, these are the levels I'm looking for to the upside. So any pullback is to be bought. It's 36.93. It'll be 3700, 37.07, and then 37.16. Those are the levels for today. If those give way, then the most logical one after that is 3800. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.